Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today let me show you how to make the most preferred Palakkad Iyers Nei Payasam. Nei means ghee. Payasam is, it's a sweet dish. Or this is also called as Gatti Payasam. Gatti means thick. This payasam will not be watery, this will be thick in consistency. What you need is this red jaggery, okay? Red jaggery, little more than 1 cup, and then cooked rice, 1 cup. This cup is smaller than this. So let the jaggery be little more than the cooked rice, okay? Now what you do is, in a pan, add the jaggery and just add quarter glass of water. Okay, now allow this to melt. Put on the stove and allow it to melt. For this Nei Payasam, you have to take this jaggery. White jaggery will not look good and taste good. Okay, this is the jaggery which we use it for chikki, making chikki. Okay, so this jaggery I got it from Gujarat. You get it in Kerala also. See, now it has melted, and now we have to filter it for any impurities. Okay, I'll filter it and come back. See, after filtering, now this is boiling. So now you have to add the cooked rice. Okay, the rice should be cooked well. Just mash it well with the spoon and allow this to cook well in the jaggery syrup. Okay, this will take about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'll add half a spoon of ghee. Now this will take around 20 minutes, so I'll come back to you. See, it's boiling. It's almost 10 minutes. Now let it boil still. Now let me add another half spoon ghee. Wait, here. I'm adding another. Actually, we don't, to this Gatti Payasam or Nei Payasam, we don't add cashew nut or raisins. None of the Kerala Payasams we add raisins or the cashew nut. What we do is, see, Kerala we grow lots of coconuts. So we just slice it and make a small pieces like this. Small pieces, and then we deep fry it in ghee and then add it. In fact, that tastes more better than the cashew nut or the raisins that we would be adding. Okay, but today I will not be adding anything for prasadam. This payasam will be very tasty. Nei payasam will be very tasty, and everyone will like it in my family. Here, Nei Payasam is done. See, it should be this consistency, okay? And as it gets cool down, it will become much more thicker, okay? See. Now let me put off the stove, okay? Here the Nei Payasam or the Gatti Payasam is ready. See, this will be very tasty. Trust me. Please prepare this and give me your sincere feedback. Thank you very much for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like button and the bell button for more notification, because I'm coming up with much more exciting videos on gardening, cooking, home front, then pest control and so many things. So thank you very much again. Bye bye. This is Indira with Vela.